Let's look at this question now. Amit and Rekha simultaneously started cycling towards each other from city A and city B respectively. Amit covered one-fourth of the distance between the two cities in 12 minutes. Rekha covered one-third of the distance between the two cities in 80 by 3 minutes. Find the speed of Amit if Rekha has cycled 4.5 kilometers to the meeting point. Okay, so this is, let's say, the track. They started cycling towards each other from A and B point respectively. Amit is starting from here and Rekha is starting from here, and they started simultaneously. Amit can cover one-fourth of this distance in 12 minutes, right? So Amit can cover one-fourth distance in 12 minutes. So he can cover this whole distance, right? He can cover the whole distance in 48 minutes. 48-minute whole distance means from A to B in 48 minutes. And for Rekha, he can cover one-third of the distance in 80 by 3 minutes, right? So she can cover this whole distance that is AB in 80 minutes. Now we have the time taken by Amit and Rekha to cover same amount of distance, that is AB. If distance is constant, the time taken would be inversely proportional to their speeds, right? So the speeds would be in the ratio 80:48. For these two, speeds would be in the ratio 80:48. So that is 5:3. This is the ratio of their speeds, 5:3. Also, find the speed of Amit if Rekha has cycled 4.5 kilometers to the meeting point. Okay, I'm assuming the meeting point, this is the first meeting point. So till first meeting, the time taken by both of them would be constant. If time is constant, distance traveled would be in the ratio of their speeds. So the distance traveled by Amit would be 5 and distance traveled by Rekha would be 3, right? And this 3 unit correspond to 4.5 kilometers in actual. So this 5 unit correspond to 7.5 kilometers. So this total distance, that is AB would be 7 and 4, 11, and 1 is 12 kilometers. What is the speed of Amit? Speed of Amit would be total distance 12 kilometer is covered in 48 minutes. That is 48 by 60 hours. That is 6. You can cancel it out by 12. 4, 5. So that should be 12 into 5 by 4. And that is 3 times. You get 15 kilometers per hour. 15 kilometers per hour. So correct answer to this question would be 15 kmph.